Does your iPhone battery tank before lunch? These 8 settings can save you 20 to 40 minutes or more every day. Stop the drain and reclaim your power. Let's fix this now. Hey iPhone crew! Battery drain's a buzzkill, but we've got 8 killer tweaks straight from iDevice Help's latest drop to stretch your juice without losing the good stuff. Ready? Let's roll. Here's the lineup. Number 1, dark mode. Go to settings, go to display and brightness, select dark. OLED screens sip less power with black, perfect for late night scrolling. Number 2, background app refresh. Go to general, select background app refresh and set to Wi-Fi only or zap it for Instagram. No more sneaky updates. Number 3, significant locations off. Go to privacy and security, select location services and select system services. Toggle it off. Ditch GPS creep and save juice. Number 4, manual email fetch. Go to mail, click on accounts, now click on fetch new data and click on manually. Stop constant pings. Check when you want. Number 5, kill keyboard haptics. Go to sounds and haptics and select keyboard feedback and toggle haptic off. Typing buzz is cool, but it's a battery hog. Number 6, no auto app updates. Go to the App Store, turn off app updates, update on Wi-Fi not on the go. Number 7, disable analytics. Go to privacy and security, select analytics and improvements, shut it all down, less data sharing, more power. Number 8, stack them up. Combine these for a 20 to 40 minute boost daily. Ex-users swear by it. These hacks slay power vampires. Background apps, GPS, haptics without breaking your flow. Dark mode's a vibe on Series X up iPhones, cutting pixel power by 20%. Manual email and analytics cuts. Peaceful battery bliss. iDevice Help says it's the perfect balance. Keep FaceTime, ditch the drain. X posts rave. My 15 Pro lasts till midnight now. Small moves, massive wins. Your iPhone's begging for this. Which setting is your go-to? Dark mode or killing analytics? Drop your take in the comments.